Pearl Academy has taken a big stride forward by entering into a collaboration with Sardar Patel Institute of Technology. Under this collaboration, SPIT has opened the doors of its workshops to the students of Pearl Academy, and Pearl Academy is going to design many design courses for SPIT. We are now in the mechanical lab, which has all the latest equipment to cut, shape and join various kinds of materials, from simple hand tools to power tools to MIG welding to arc welding and resistant welding. This setup has everything that a student needs to shape different materials and build products and prototypes. It's a tractive manufacturing lab. It has various equipment to selectively remove material from any surface. That includes a laser cutter engraver, a milling machine, drilling machine, and so on. We're now in the additive manufacturing lab. This has the latest 3D printers to convert any 3D model into a physical prototype. It also has a 3D scanner, so you can scan any available object and convert into a 3D model. It also has equipment for creating PCBs. You can prototype and actually build and assemble real PCBs to test any product. This collaboration between Sardar Patel Institute of Technology and Pearl Academy opens up new avenues for the students.
SPIT and Pearl Academy have stepped into the association. Engineering and design school are coming together. It is a dream coming true for us.